Hi grade 10s, today I'm going to show you a very effective way to factorize expressions. I want us to have a look at question 1.2, factorize the following expressions fully, and emphasis on the word fully. But let's look at 1.2.1. Already we can see r minus s, r plus s. So that plus in between r and s can be turned into a minus. In other words, we want to make that r plus s the same as what we see in the brackets, r minus s. So let's consider this, r plus s. It's possible to factor out minus 1 as follows. It's quite straightforward actually. So minus 1 can be factored out, minus 1 r minus s. If you multiply that minus 1 inside the bracket, you will get minus r plus s. So we can actually rewrite 1.2.1 as follows. We can say, let's just rewrite it. Let me choose a different color, and let's go with black. Okay, we can say t squared r minus s minus r minus s. So now we can factorize by means of grouping r minus s, that is something in common in both terms. So we factor out r minus s, we're left with t squared minus 1. But notice, we can also factor t squared minus 1 as t plus 1 and t minus 1. And the expression is fully factorized. Just take note that t squared minus 1 is a perfect square binomial. Let's have a look at 1.2.2. If you consider the numerator of this expression, we can see that x cubed plus 1 is an example of a perfect cube binomial, and there's actually a formula for that. The formula is as follows. I'm going to write it in general form. A cube plus b cube is equals to a plus b, a squared minus ab plus b. I can't stop emphasizing the importance of this formula, so please do remember it. So we can write that numerator in the same way. We can say x cubed plus 1 cube, because 1 is equals to 1. 1 cube is equals to 1. So by simply substituting, we get x plus 1, x squared minus x plus 1. Well, 1 squared, which is 1. So let us rewrite 1.2.2 right beneath that to see how best the expressions can cancel each other out if there are any. So we have x cubed rather, plus 1 all over x squared minus x plus 1. This is equals to x plus 1 x squared minus x plus 1 all over sorry for that, let's erase this. Okay, all over x squared minus x plus 1. So that I can just put in brackets, and already those two expressions cancel out, so we're left with x plus 1 as the final answer. Oops, let me write this one better. Okay. X plus 1. So that's the answer. It can't be factorized anymore.